Hey everybody, Priscilla Shaw Ron here, accepting David Wish's challenge to make music at home. So I want to show you my drum kit. I've got a plastic bin that I put a pillow inside. I found a cookie tin that's metal and put a little piece of aluminum foil on the top, and that's going to be my snare drum. Okay, got a little coffee cup and two plastic containers. This one was like some old coconut oil container and another tub. And this is these are my toms, my kick drum, right? Snare, my hi-hat. And I'm gonna be a little culturally responsive. I'm gonna do some Gangnam style for you guys. Are you ready? Here we go.
오빤 강남 스타일 강남 스타일 이제는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 한편 있는 여자 선어해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그 선어해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선어해 밤이 오면 심장이 꺼져버리는 선어해 그런 선어해 오빤 강남 스타일
Hey, I am going to encourage some of my music friends to make music at home. So I'm going to extend this challenge to Stephanie Ron, Andrea Peterson, Anthony Steele, and Tania Nelson. Okay, you guys take on this Make Music at Home challenge, and let's encourage our music students to make music at home. All right, peace out.